Flowering Universe, take 6. What is it? Well, it's going to change the way that you think about time, evidence, and how old the universe is. It explains what the Big Bang is and why it happened, and the simplest explanation is maybe just call it an uncolorful name like the black hole theory. Anyway, so black holes are the center of the universe. And what they do is they eat, simplest explanation, constantly. And the bigger they get, the more they can eat. So it's they're never full kind of thing. And, they absorb each other or become one or whatever. And that's actually a beautiful dance that kind of looks like an atom. Shout out to a female scientist. I don't catch anybody's name, I'm sorry, bad with names. And so it's just going to keep expanding until the universe, or whatever laws that exist in reality, kind of like like some kind of core laws in the universe that we can't quite comprehend yet, but allow other laws to exist that we do know about, like gravity and other things. So this thing gets so big, it starts fracturing, and when it does, it tries to come back together again, because it's a giant black hole. It's going to eat itself, others, and everything else. It's going to try to stay together. And someone, once again, smarter than me, my father, whose probably IQ is better than mine by about a magnitude of 15, I'd say, told me when two forces try to come back together in manufacturing, they could be sending a liquid through a pipe at hundreds of psi, and when the liquid pulls apart and tries to come back together, it will actually melt the pipe and bubble it up and boil it like it was plastic, even if it's like super strong metal or other alloy or whatever. And that's what you actually think the Big Bang is. And then pieces and fragments of this are all scattered throughout the galaxy. And what do? They try to pull things back in. So you kind of have a swirly, kind of going down the drain rotation. And that's what the Milky Way galaxy is. We're going to be pulled into this super mega black hole that is actually a fragment of a larger one. And those are going to want to come together too, even though they're being flung at impossible speeds. Eventually, things will coalesce, and the universe will bloom again, and it will continue to bloom. And I would guarantee you that it probably blooms in other places that are just too far away for us to even think about, because we couldn't see it with light. And if we wanted to get there, we'd have to fold space, which is science fiction, but it's the best science fiction we have for traveling vast distances, because light is just not going to get you there fast enough. If there ever is questioning for this theory, I would like to answer it.